Industry experts anticipate that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman may announce an amnesty scheme for customs in the upcoming budget, aiming to reduce litigation and promote ease of doing business. The industry has long been advocating for such a scheme to address customs related litigations, particularly those involving pre GST legacy taxes like additional duty. It is estimated that over 40,000 cases related to customs duty are currently pending in various courts and tribunals.
In customs, main asks of the industry would certainly be aligned with the objectives of the government, aims of the government. And one objective government has had over past few years is litigation reduction. So on that front, having an amnesty scheme for customs, especially covering pre-GST legacy taxes like additional duty, special additional duty, has been one of the asks of the industry.
Previously, the government has announced amnesty schemes for excise, service tax, and even income tax, but no such schemes have been introduced for customs. Experts suggest that international companies are also advocating for the establishment of an independent advance ruling authority composed of non government professionals to adjudicate tax matters.
International companies are looking at from a customs perspective from Indian government is to set up an independent advance ruling authority. When I say independent advance ruling authority, I mean the authority should be formed by independent professionals and should not be manned by commissioners from the government side. Because generally when the commissioners from the government side are appointed as members of advance ruling authority, generally they tend to take a pro-revenue stand, which doesn't give a stability, which doesn't give a clarity to the international businessman to set up or enter into India.
In addition to the amnesty scheme, experts also expect the government to address the industry's demand for rationalizing customs duty rates. They believe that rate rationalization, along with production linked incentive schemes, could attract more investment into the country. Experts also suggest that rationalizing duties on recyclable and reused materials could promote sustainable manufacturing practices.